Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the archive names so extraction will work. The app only reads matching parts. Download and install 7-zip or WinRAR. 7-zip is free and handles most splits. Once done, move every RAR, part 01, RAR or R00 into one local folder. Make sure Cloud Sync is off to prevent partial reads. You're preventing file mismatch errors early. Finally, right-click the first part to confirm the context menu shows your archiver. You now extract from the first part. Right-click and choose Extract Here or Extract to a folder because the archiver reads subsequent segments automatically. If the archive contains an ISO, mount it with Windows Explorer by double-clicking or use a virtual drive tool for older systems. Mounting avoids large installs. Make sure to verify extracted sizes and, when available, checksums. This helps detect a missing or corrupt R00/part02 file rather than wasting time on a broken install. You finish by running the game installer from the extracted folder or the mounted ISO, using admin rights when prompted to avoid permission failures. If extraction errors appear, immediately use the archiver's test function to identify the bad segment, then re-download only the missing or corrupt part and replace it in the same folder. If a password is requested, get the correct key from the original source. Following these steps prevents install loops and gets you playing faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.